Hi guys, it's Matt here from the Forex Coach. I've just taken a trade to the long side on the Aussie dollar. Reason being is we've had this strong close on this 4-hour candle, so we're looking at a potential for the move higher here. And on the lower time frame charts, we've got this positive momentum on the 1-hour chart. We've just this strong candle from which it has now pulled back. Ideally like to have got down to this 21 period moving average and taken the long there, but I've gone in here. I may also enter a third entry there, but I've split my entry in two halves so I can have two target prices, one up here, because if this does close down here we'll get a curving round of this price envelope and the potential for it to roll back over, but second entry to push back beyond the highs here. So if we look at it on the 5-minute chart, it has got oversold, and I'm looking for this to now try and have a bounce or move higher from here. Other trade wise, there's not a lot else going on. I have taken a short on Bitcoin. These are really speculative trades, so they're not trades that I tend to post out on the as a trading signal as such, but I did mention it earlier on in the week that we took this short here when we had this curve around this price envelope. I said if it happens again up in this zone, bearing in mind that we get oversold here on the CMO, then I would be interested in it again. So I've taken a short again. I've split my entry. I've got a small take profit of a small part, and then the main part I'm looking for run down to this 100 period moving average, which is yet to be, sorry, this 200 period moving average was yet to be tested. So as this curves up, that'll tie in with these previous lows here. So we're just overbought on across the board on Bitcoin, and we've hit a big figure here, big psychological level. We can see, you know, potentially a lot of taking profits occurred here on this candle. So we're looking for it to roll over from here. Stop loss is well up and out the way at the moment, but obviously, you know, with Bitcoin anything can happen. But it's just purely speculation, but based on the technicals that I'm seeing here on the charts. Okay, we're just coming up to target price 1 here on the Aussie dollar trades. Okay, so we've hit target price 1 on the Aussie, so we're just waiting for a further push up here to break of these highs and the final target price. So at the moment we've closed half the position, or I've closed 2/3 of the position off, because I had an additional entry on there. So just the final part then to hold out for. Okay, we're just pushing up now on this Aussie dollar. So we've tried to stop up now to these lows, and we're just holding out now to try and hit this target price, which is a break of these highs over here from earlier on today. Okay, so we're just coming up to target here on the Aussie. It could actually roll over from here and sort of do a double top pattern, so we'll keep my eye on the price action, because I don't want to get caught out where, you know, it's made a double top and then it decides to now roll over. However, from the 1-hour charts perspective, you know, we've had this strong candle here, so we could have a break higher. I mean, on the 4-hour chart it looks like it's got the potential to have a good run here, and makes me think that there's a possibility, bearing in mind that this has already been tested, to actually try and turn this into a bit of a bigger trade with a bigger target. So I'm just going to have a ponder of that, although we have got this resistance here from the 1-hour price envelope, and this could turn around. It's the end of the week, and therefore, you know, we could get another candle down on the daily chart early part of next week before it then sort of turned around and broke up. So I'll actually stick with this target, but I'm just going to keep my eye on the potential of this double top and see whether we can get the exit on this trade. Okay, so I've closed out of this this Aussie. Reason being is it's just failed to hit the target price there. I went for the target just above the high there, just to get the reward to risk that I wanted on the trade, and it meant that there was always the risk that it could fail and roll over again. So decided to exit the trade. You know, this could just be coaching people in to get short, put stops above these highs for it to then, you know, break through and push higher. It does look like it's got the potential on the 4-hour chart to now break through and push up, you know, into this zone here, sort of 76485, but it has been slightly held back by the 1-hour chart here, by the daily chart here, because we've got this downward facing price envelope. We've broken this 21 period moving average a couple of times, so we could see into next week this start to curl round and then, you know, a move higher again on this. But the overall trend on the weekly has been down, and we have obviously come into this support zone here, and this moving average, 100 period moving average. So we would need to see this sort of curling round in order for there to be a sign of some upside, although the weekly trend is up. So and we're getting to the oversold, so there is arguments for this to go a bit lower still, and there's also arguments for this to now turn around and push higher. But as far as the day trade's concerned, I'm happy with the exits there. It makes sense to get out there. It's a shame we didn't quite hit target price there, but that is what it is sometimes. So that's the end of this week's trading. Mixed week, we closed out the 2 winning trades on the euro early part of the week, and then we've also now closed out of this winning Aussie. But yesterday we did have a couple of losers on the JR30 on the DAX, trying to get long. So a mixed week, but still some winning trades there. So all in all, happy with the trading for the week. Hope you've had a good week's trading, and that's going to be the end of this video here. Bye for now.